What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA Diffuser on this Lexus IS500. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the new NIA Diffuser. 1, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. 2, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. We offer in different finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine, might have some scratches, but it's perfect for the DIYers who can paint it themselves. We also offer it in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer, ready for paint. We also offer it painted, color matched to your vehicle, or if you like a contrast, we offer it in gloss black, similar to your factory trim. You can also get it hydro dipped, which is a method of applying a carbon fiber print design on the piece and shooting it with a heavy coat of clear coat. We also have different styles, which include the mesh grille, a 4th square brake light, or an F-shaped brake light. All our kits are designed specifically for each model. We don't copy paste the same design for all models. We design all our kits to use the factory bolts. We also pre-drill all the holes for you and include all the hardware for a quick and easy installation. With the purchase of the NIA Diffuser, you're going to receive 4 replacement clips and an adhesion promoter wipey. For this installation, you're going to need a 10mm socket, a clip remover, some crimpers, and razor blade. Alright, always think safety first. If you bought it with the brake light and you're going to tap into your tail light, make sure to disconnect the battery first. If you purchased it with the functioning brake light, first things first, we will need to access the driver's side tail light to tap in the wires. Alright, so with your clip remover, we're going to start removing all these clips, and this one right here, which just twists off by hand. Now that the clips are removed, we'll start taking all the carpet out. Now that the carpet is out, we're going to remove the 10mm bolt that is underneath this. Get your clip remover and we're going to lift it up to access it. Now that the carpet is all removed and the clip and floor is removed, time to remove this back panel right here. Get your clip remover and locate all the clips to remove it. Now that all the clips are removed, time to remove the panel. And this, you just unclip it, going up first and then taking it out. Now that this back panel is removed, time to remove this white clip here with the clip remover. But this one you have to be real careful. You just have to make sure you grab it in the right angle and squeeze it and come off. If it doesn't come off, try a different angle and squeeze it. That way you prevent from breaking the clip. Now that you have access, remove this panel to the back, and you're gonna access the tail light. And the tail light, you just unclip it. Now the tail light is disconnected, you're gonna slit this rubber protection to access the cables. Now time to pass the wire harness to the outside, and the best ways to do is through this rubber garment. You're gonna take it off, make a quick little slit, and pass it through the rubber. Now that you have access to all the cables, you're gonna disconnect the harness and we're gonna tap into them. Alright guys, time to self-tap into the tail light. And this is when you're gonna use, in this sequence, we're gonna do the green one, which is ground, to the black one. And then we're gonna do the red one to the green and white one. And then the last one, we're gonna do the white one to the red and black. So to access these, just open up this little tab and then open this with the clip remover, and you'll see they just, like a little clam, lift up. Once you open them up, you're gonna see a channel, and that's where you're gonna put the cable from the light right on that channel, and we're gonna squeeze the metal clip to make sure it slices through the protection and taps into the cable. Now time to test to see if everything was tapped in correctly. We're gonna plug the light back in, connect it back to the harness, and turn on the light and press on the brake to make sure everything's working properly. Now that everything's working properly, time to feed the cable to the outside through the little rubber grommet. But if for some reason it's not working, go back to your self-tapping clips and just press a little bit harder. Maybe the metal pieces didn't slice right through the protection. Now that the cable went through, just make sure you tuck it in underneath the valence. And now to install the diffuser, locate the 4 clips on the bottom of the bumper, and we're going to remove them with our clip remover. Now connect your harness back up, and now you're going to locate all the corners of the double-sided tape, including the center, and you're going to fold all the corners, the backing out, so you can access them through the outside. Now that all the corners are folded back, get your heat shrink promoter wipey, and we're gonna wipe down all around the edge where the double-sided tape is gonna adhere to. Now that the adhesion promoter is on the actual bumper, use the replacement clips to install the diffuser on the same factory holes. Now that all the clips are on, we're going to start removing all the double-sided tape backing, and I always recommend starting from the center, working your way out. Now that the double-sided tape is installed, if you see any cables hanging out, just pull it from here. That way it's not touching the exhaust. Once everything is tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus IS500. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you guys. Thanks again, guys.
NIA Body Kits. Quality. Engineered. Artistry.